the safety of her side. As the mother hippo seeks solace in the river's soothing embrace, the tranquility of the river is shattered by the ferocious attack of a hungry predator. And as the hungry crocodiles feast upon their fallen foe, the cycle of life and death continues its relentless march. Beneath the surface, a bustling community of fish goes about its daily routines. This fish is called the tilapia, renowned for its role as a natural cleaner. Found in African waters, it boasts a symbiotic relationship with hippos. Within the watery depths, a symbiotic relationship flourishes.